Hey, I'm Brody from Tropicfeel, and this is the waterproof Daypack. This is a great little bag. It can fit seamlessly with the Shelter 30 to 66 liter backpack, but it's also great on its own. As you can see, it's all weather sealed and waterproof. I wouldn't dunk it under the water or go scuba diving with it, but if you drop it in the ocean or something, it will keep everything safe and dry. So you've got these two little buckles on the side. You can undo those and unroll it to reveal all your stuff inside the backpack. There is one little separator here. It's very, very minimal, but you can put some things in there in case you want to keep things a little bit more organized. Roll that up, and then of course you can double it this way as well if you want. In terms of the straps, those are in here. So you just take those out and hook them on the straps right up here. That's what turns it into the backpack. So you can throw that on your back. And I just want to explain this front little cutout here. This is a way to hook it onto the Shelter backpack. And then of course a strap in case you want to put your goggles or maybe an extra towel or something. But it's very light, very compact. Throw it on your back and you're ready for your next adventure.